Alright, so here we go. Press the button. Become death, destroy the worlds. Or you're a bit depressed and yeah, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Alrighty. You will have incredibly lucid dreams every day. As time goes on, the dreams will start to get longer and longer. Eventually, if you only sleep for a few hours, I don't want to be coming from sleep, so I will not. Even, alright. Alright, here we go. Next question. Ellen Page will fall in love with you and you will make sweet dinner. Is that the girl in that one TV show? Yeah, it is. Person in your family will stop loving you. I will not. No. Yes. Good job, everybody. Y'all are awesome. Alright, next question. Kelly doesn't die in their furnace stays together. The Foo Fighters never get. I don't even know what that is. I will not. Alright, I don't even know what that is. You can have one Pokemon. One Pokemon in real life. That would be so cool. It'd be your least favorite. I don't freaking care. That would be awesome. Yeah. Lego. You can own Playboy and make millions, but you can only hire old ladies. Make millions. Come on, guys. Oh. Alright. You don't have to school because everyone's mind gains intelligence as we automatically learn what we need to, but we don't know how to love or enjoy entertainment. No, I love entertainment. Oh yeah. I'm red. I was reading the wrong thing. Yeah, let's go. You live forever, but you're still the same age. Oh, I want to just live a life, because then when you die, you get to go to heaven, and it's a beautiful place. So I will not. Alright, you will get to live in a fictional room. You're choosing to develop any relevant power or abilities. One will be your girlfriend or either. I don't care. I'm friends with everybody, so let's go. Yeah, let's go. Alright, you live without ever experiencing physical pain. But you live without ever experiencing. No, this is hard. I will not do that. Yeah. That's it with this video. Goodbye. Hope you liked it.